Hey coders, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, please click subscribe, and if you're regular, welcome back and thank you for being back because I've been gone for so long. Anyway, I'll explain where I've been in another video, but now I'm just excited to show you guys what I got. So if you guys watched the other video, I did mention that I got scammed last year, so I had to let go of my Mac Mini, but because God is so good, and it was a minor setback, but yeah, God was like, don't worry my child, gonna make the money back and you're gonna get something better. Let me open the box. I'm here to present to you I got a MacBook Air. The reason why I didn't buy a Mac Mini again is because I did have problems with my Mac Mini. Not the way it works, but because I have to go to my desk every time I have to work on it. Sometimes I want to edit and I would have to come to my desk. Sometimes I just wake up around 2 a.m. and because I'm someone who gets cold easily, I don't want to get out of my blankets. Yeah, I thought it's better to just have a laptop, you know. So I got MacBook Air M4. What an upgrade! Wow! Yay! So it was 22,000 rands, and it came with, this was free, the Microsoft pack with a mouse and a mouse pad. So that is great. Let's unbox it. Oh, I'm so excited! The sound of unboxing Apple product. Some ASMR. Oh my gosh. It is so tiny. Voila. Does it not look good? I got it in the, is it midnight something color?
OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press the escape key.
Escape.
Now the VoiceOver modifier. The VoiceOver modifier.
Yo.
On each page.
Okay, well, set everything up. Let's open the Microsoft suite. And I've been wanting a new mouse because this one, I've been wanting a wireless one. So this came in handy. But I do want to buy the one that we use at the office because I'm so used to it now. It's a plain mouse pad. I can actually get rid of this one from Volcano. Microsoft 365. And I want my next purchase to be a camera. I just need Imalia Kona but other than that, I'm so happy with my MacBook. So yeah, please click subscribe and yeah, until the next time. Love you guys. Bye.